As you can see in here, it's squirrel time. And these two are the nuts. So anyways, let's get going on our Fired Up Friday. We're a little bit of a, let's get back to where we're supposed to be. There we go. We're putting together a new gazebo, so all this stuff is sitting outside and porch is a mess, so coffee will be in the kitchen of the house today. So let's light our fire. A little bit of a breeze, so we won't be going nuts building a big fire. Plus I don't have time. So anyways, we got some of this ProCant Tech fire starter. And it's a little bit of fat wood because I don't want this to run long. Our Dominic Vinchetti poker, our pocket bellows, and our Mad Dog Survival throw rod. So let's make sure this thing works. Okay, let's try to do this without making a mess. Alright, one and done. Put our little fat wood stick on there. I say it's a little breezier than I like. We'll make do. Just watch clear close. Well, I've seen enough. Oh, just like that. So anyways, let's go inside and make some coffee. Shovelhead 8, little Timmy, and welcome to another Bluegrass Bush Coffee Challenge. We're inside today because put together a new gazebo, and the usual porch studio looks like a cross between a construction site and a disaster area. So we're going to use our little coffee maker and make some coffee. Okay, we got some decaffeinated coffee beans here. There's a little coffee maker. I got the water in it already. And we've got our Bubba mug because I got to go back outside and work later on. And we got a bran muffin left over from this morning's senior's coffee. Just didn't have room in the containers to carry it. So anyways, I'm going to grind up this coffee and then we'll come back. Okay, our coffee's ground up. We'll put our coffee on. We'll take a bite of our muffin while we're at it. And we'll come back when the coffee's ready. Well, we're waiting for the coffee to finish, let's light up our candle. Oh, that looks better. Okay, so let's pour our coffee. I'm hoping this holds the whole thing. Pretty close. And we need a spoon. There's a nice used one from breakfast. And some milk. See what color that turned. It turned close enough. Yeah, I gotta finish the gazebo after this, so we'll be busy. Well, we got it right the first time. This thinking ahead stuff might catch on. So let's give this a try. It's not bad for stale old decaf coffee. So anyways, we like these candles for those of us, those that need them. For those of us, for those who have gone before us, or for those of us that have been left behind. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.